This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Oxygen sensors replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Disconnecting the negative battery cable. Loosen the negative cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery and secure it out of the way to prevent accidental reconnection. The oxygen sensor replacement procedure is shown on the left engine bank upstream sensor. However, the replacement steps for the other sensors are identical. Note: the following photos show the locations of the oxygen sensors. To replace the oxygen sensor, locate the sensor, then trace the wiring harness to the electrical connector. Free the wiring harness from any retaining clips, then disconnect the electrical connector. Unscrew and remove the oxygen sensor. Note that it is recommended to use a specialized oxygen sensor socket when breaking the sensor loose, to avoid rounding off the hex fitting. If the sensor is especially hard to unscrew, spray some penetrating oil close to the sensor threads and allow it to soak in before loosening. New sensors will already have anti-seize pre-applied to the threads. If you are reinstalling the old one, add a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor before installing it. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Connect the sensor electrical connector and secure the wiring harness into any retaining clips. Reconnecting the negative battery cable. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery, then tighten the cable clamp nut securely.